Welcome back to another Minecraft tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to remove fog in Minecraft step by step. Let's get started. Now you see a fog in a game. A lot of players find fog annoying because it blocks your vision and makes the game feel cloudy or blurry, especially when you're exploring caves, forests, or even open worlds. Now a time has come to remove it. First, open your game menu while you're inside Minecraft. From here, click on Options. This is where all of your important settings are located. Once you're inside Options, go ahead and tap on Video Settings. Now, in Video Settings, you'll see a lot of things you can customize like graphics, brightness, render distance, and more. But what we're looking for is under Details. So click on Details and a new window will pop up with even more options. Here's where you'll find the fog controls. The first important option is Fog Start. By default, it's usually between 0.2 and 0.8. What this means is, if the number is lower, the fog will appear much closer to your character, making the game feel foggy and hard to see. If the number is higher, the fog will move farther away, which means you'll be able to see more of the world before the fog shows up. So you can adjust this depending on how much visibility you want. But the main thing we want is the actual fog setting. Normally, this might be set to fancy or fast. If you want zero fog in your game, just click on it and change it to off. That will completely disable the fog effect. Once you've made the changes, go back into the game. And now look around, the fog should be completely gone. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more Minecraft tips and tricks.